Top 5 budget-friendly homestead hacks. 1. Recycle kitchen scraps into compost. Composting turns waste into rich, nutrient-dense soil for your garden, saving money on store-bought fertilizers. How to start. Use a compost bin or a simple pile in the yard. Toss in fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, and yard clippings. Avoid meat, dairy, or anything oily. 2. Upcycle old pallets into garden beds. Wooden pallets are often free or cheap and make durable rustic raised beds. They're perfect for small spaces or vertical gardening. How to start. Look for pallets from local hardware stores or warehouses. Make sure they're heat-treated, marked with HT, and not chemically treated. Disassemble and sand them, then build frames for garden beds. 3. Use mason jars for everything. Mason jars are endlessly versatile and last forever, making them a sustainable alternative to single-use containers. How to use. Store dry goods like grains or beans, make homemade candles, or even use them as drinking glasses. For decor, fill jars with seasonal finds like pine cones, dried herbs, or flowers. 4. Save seeds from this year's harvest. Seed saving allows you to grow crops year after year without spending extra money on seeds. Plus, it helps preserve plant varieties suited to your local conditions. How to start. Dry seeds from easy plants like tomatoes, peppers, beans, or squash. Store them in labeled paper envelopes in a cool, dry place. 5. DIY natural cleaning products. Natural cleaning products are cheaper, healthier, and often just as effective as store-bought options. Plus, you likely have the ingredients already. Mix white vinegar, water, and a few drops of essential oil for an all-purpose cleaner. For scrubbing, combine baking soda and Castile soap. Lemon juice works wonders for cutting grease or deodorizing.